we're going another video. We're making cookies. The mango tea. Sorry guys, I just put my bowl in the head because I want to be like ugly like that. I'm craving cookies. I like cookies. I want to make, and I want to eat it by myself. I'll give this someone to sick people for my papa, and for Ate Judith, Mama, Papa, then Nana and me for my own. Actually, I'll make a lot of cookies. That's why. Dali naman na, assistant. So yummy. So init this tea. Hindi ko ba na kung gamaan yung sa mga ta. Dapat mo yung a lot water because arisan na ko si Kuati. Jacqueline, mukhaan ka? Okay. Okay, guys. Ayaw, nakuha mo na. Just gino-record daghana. It's chocolate! It's chocolate! Chocolate! It's a chocolate. What? Regani! Noon sa kawa, regani ka na nako. Mama, ang sa kaniwat, oy. I want to give some I want to give chocolate in my mouth. Add there. I have a pregnant belly, guys. Missing kunting, maju kunting, kunikipang. Sayonara. Meow, meow. La. Bahala, ragon pag apil-apil. Bahala. Assistant kami. But put the flour so alat, guys. My mom. Oopsie. I just put the alat. And then I'm done. With me. Sipon, that's why. So, I just got a bit over. Can you put it, boss? Okay. Wow, it's like purple. Uy, just a little bit. Check it. Oopsie. Uy. Brown sugar with the white sugars. It's very good. Wow. Mikos. Yucky. I will put egg in this bowl. Yucky. It's not hot. A little bit hot. Oh. Ew. Mix. I don't like mixing. Eee! What is that then? Ew. It's those chocolate chips. I know. The chocolate chips. Oh no. It mix. Oops. I just put a little bit of chocolate chip in the ground. Wee, so scary. Why? It's so gahi. I do like this. Tabang makagahi kayo. Tabang kay di lalim. Gahian ko magahi. I want. Can you help me? That's why I know how to make. Not even it. Only my hands. The hands. Oh, so slimy. No, that's right. Ate Judith did it right. Yeah, I just made it. Yeah, good. Yay. And mama na may make cookies na i-eat na ikaw rapakot doon. Ako i-check ano. Yay! Siko sa inside. Ito siya inside. Nanaya kong cookies. Init pa ni.
Yummy na?
Ya? Mama.
Yummy?
You want to eat some, guys?
Yummy?
Like sampurado.
Like sampurado?
Yeah. Yeah.
Pagod-pagod gamay? Okay na, pero okay na.
Okay na. Naka-feel ko chocolate dali. Mangaon na ta, guys. Football. Lamiam niya akong gigamo. Bye, guys. We're done making because we're eating. Yeah. Spaghetti to tomorrow. The big mag-vlog, please. Tomorrow. Please. I-share ang video, guys. Di, lalo mag-video.